Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making simple and flavorful Methi Pulao. Detailed recipe with ingredients is listed below in the description. Here for masala paste I am adding 4 tablespoons of fresh coconut, 1 inch of cinnamon, 3 cloves, 1 cardamom, half teaspoon of peppercorns, 3 garlic cloves, 1 inch of fresh ginger, 3 to 4 green chilies, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, a pinch of turmeric, handful of fresh coriander, half cup of water. Let's blend it together to make a paste. Take a pressure cooker or a pot, add 1 tablespoon of oil and ghee. I am adding half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, some cashews, curry leaves and 1 onion. Cook until the onion softens. Adding 1 cup of washed and chopped fresh methi leaves. This green tends to be bitter, so it's important to cook it on low flame until the leaves shrink. Methi leaves gives this pulao its signature flavor. It's earthy, aromatic and comforting. The mild bitterness of methi balances beautifully with the spices and rice. This looks good to me. Let's proceed further. Now let's add the masala paste we prepared. Since we have added fresh garlic and ginger, we need to cook it for 3 to 5 minutes to remove the raw smell. Now I am adding chopped carrots and green peas. And let's give it a quick stir. I'll be using 1 cup of rice, so I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Adding salt and chopped fresh tomatoes. And let's bring it to a boil. We are kind of making an instant broth here. Authentic Indian recipes rarely uses ready-made broths. The depth of flavor comes from slow cooking the spices and aromatics, which creates a natural base. I'm going to check the seasoning in the broth. I soaked 1 cup of rice for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll drain the water and add rice to the broth. Important tip: the broth needs to be slightly salty because rice absorbs salt only while it's cooking. It's impossible to adjust seasoning once the rice is done. Let's cook the rice until it is 80% done. Now I will close the lid, cook on high flame for 1 minute, then turn the flame to the lowest and cook for 9 more minutes. Meanwhile, let's make raita to go with the rice. I'm adding 1 cup of yogurt, onion, coriander and seasoning it with salt. You can also make raita with Greek yogurt to add more protein to the meal. If so, add honey to balance the flavor of the yogurt. I've let the pulao cool for 15 minutes, now let's open it. If you have time, I recommend fluffing the rice and letting it rest for 5 minutes before serving. Fluffing the rice gently lifts the grains and releases any trapped steam, giving you a beautifully soft non-sticky pulao. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and check out more simple homemade dishes on my channel. Thank you for watching.